Create this, so here it says to select the edit, so and edit this web XML, okay? Then it says add a servlet definition to the controller. How? And the servlet class is a combination of the package and the name of the class. And the servlet class is this guy here, CHR, this guy, and the controller. Since we went ahead and copied that guy, we don't have to worry about that because that's already here.
So it was at the top, right?
That was number 2, number 3, right? That's the one we're looking at. So this guy, yeah. This one already has everything in there. Okay. Unless you wanna, what I did, I took the book and I typed everything that is in the book, and then it didn't work. But when you copy and paste it from the web page, 2 seconds, done. Right, no errors. Okay, so we go back over here. Add a mapping, which is what we were just talking about. The pattern has to be this one. We just talked about that. This is not correct, by the way, okay? Because it says so here to take this line out, the slash out.
Yeah.
And it specifically says that you have to take it out because you take it out and it doesn't work anymore. Okay, so I left it in. Okay. So now you go back to the web pages and you create a new folder called the CHR3, which is this guy here. CS3, right? The other thing is that it doesn't tell you how to do that. Where are here? So you go here and you have to create this folder here. So how do you create that folder?
Right.
You go here to web pages, right click, new, and then folder. Okay? But the thing is that, is it there or where do you click? You know, there's no explanation where you do it.
So you gotta go through all these to go with it?
Yeah. So over here, now you go to here and to create this other folder, you have to be right on top of on this guy here. You right click and then new, and then again a folder, right? New folder. So you create that other folder here. Yes.
Like sometimes when you right click the folder options in there, like if I use the computers on campus, I can't find the folder option. But if I use my computer, I can find the folder option.
No way.
Yeah, how would you find it if you can't find it?
It's happening to you right now?
I can't find it.
Okay.
Oh, I have to go to others. It's a very bottom.
Okay, and then on others?
See all this?
Yeah, you
Remember
go-
with the XML, the other night we were talking about? I couldn't find it without going into others.
I was looking at others today and I couldn't find it.
Let's see if maybe it's kind of,
Second from last.
Yeah, I couldn't find it at all. I see it. Oh, and other. I was thinking web other.
Yeah, no.
oh, there's another, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm having a problem, a serious problem right now with clips. Because you go ahead, different people downloading clips right now on the new classes, and you have different versions of the clip. The same 7.1, but one is Europa, the other is. When you open it up, and you try to open a project, it's in different places. The one that I have, because I updated it, it gives me a project, twice project, and I tried both and it's neither.
Well, that's your problem. You updated it.
Right.
It's still giving you a problem. There's long ways of fixing it, but the short way, just uninstall, go download the new one and install that one.
Probably, right. Yeah. Okay, so where were we?
Folders?
Folders, right, so you right click on this guy, you right click and create this folder. And then it says to, in this folder, to go ahead and copy all of these guys that we did from last time.
Put them in.
Okay, I did, but then I found there's a lot of work because you have to retype these and it says to go ahead and add. I'll show you exactly what it says that it goes like, what the heck are you talking about? Oh, here it is. So after you create the start guide, it says copy and edit, confirm, copy, edit, confirm, and process from the servlet controller on tutorial 2. Okay, so I did. And and then it says add a second text element to the edit page. So tell me that in English or Spanish. What the hell does it mean by that?
Another
Add the second text element to the edit. Okay.
Yeah.
So another input guy?
Text box.
That's what I said.
Okay. Initialize that element with the corresponding data from the query string.
Isn't that from the?
Use an else statement. That's what it said.
On the web?
Use an else statement. Initialize.
No, no. He's talking about the A version character that you created all the way at the beginning back when, but he's not mentioning it
Oh,
from
yeah.
there, okay?
Use it.
So it's like you're reading, what the hell is he talking about there? Okay, so, and then that's to do the edit, then also you have problems on doing the confirm page, you have to do that, and also you have to modify the process page. All right, so you can either do that and waste about an hour trying to figure that out, or you can go back over here, right? And you come back over here and voila. I found this that says chapter 3, right?
Yeah.
The C chart 3, the start example, here's the edit page. So you click it, Control C, copy and paste, boom, done. All right? So yeah. So yeah, the new guys are there. See? Zoom in.
No, the camera.
So you notice that this guy already has what he was talking about to go ahead and add these guys. Where this is what he was talking about, adding this. But the writing there is not really clear what is.
That's what he's calling the hidden.
He's implying that he's not.
He's implying that you were just.
He's implying that, yeah, I mean, for him, this is so easy, you know.
Yeah, because he thinks you read the book.
He's assuming.
No, I did that, I read the book. And some of this stuff was not in the book. Then when I went and read the notes, I said, oh, he meant this. And then when I read the book, and then the notes, and then the explanation for this is like not even there. So I got lucky and I found the actual code.
So there's a reason why he has this sample uploaded.
Yep, yep.
That's the reason why his book is on fire day. It's worthless.
All right, so basically the modification here on the edit, all we're doing for this particular assignment is we added this section here for the edit. Okay. Now for the other guy that is there, he has the confirm. So again, you copy and paste that guy. But you need to go in there and find out exactly what he's doing, okay?
Yeah.
So basically what he's doing is he's passing hidden values here to this A version. And that's the only change in this one. Yep. What was the other guy? The process, right?
Yeah.
So the same thing over here, he's doing this guy here. Okay. Those are the changes that he is talking about right here, to do all of these changes. Modify this, modify this, modify this. Okay? Now, he wants you to modify the index file that already exists on the web pages, a folder. So you need to modify the page by adding the hyperlink controller, using the value this and that, okay? So, yeah, go ahead and try that.
Do we remove that slash like it says there or no?
If you do, it won't work.
Ah,
So the best thing to do is what?
Leave it.
Go back,
Copy and
paste,
paste.
copy and paste it.
what is he trying to do? Sabotage our website?
Him?
Yeah, he says delete it.
It specifically says that you have to delete it.
Yeah.
And I did, and it just wouldn't go anywhere. Right. He's got a section called errata with the errors. Maybe that's what the explanation is. Maybe I should be reading that too. So the book, the tutorials, the examples, and the errata at the same time, and then maybe even okay. Will reappear in the browser. Okay. So I did that all of these, and it worked. It works well. Okay. There's no problem there. So this is the guide. This is the examples. This is the different process. So now let's look at this guy here. So this is a little bit different than chapter 2. The chapter 2 has an additional set of rules right over here. This one doesn't, but this one works fine. So if you do a regular one in creating a servlet over here, this one is gonna look totally different. You do have the imports, most of them, but the other one has a whole bunch of code. So literally you have to take all that code out, and on that other code, what happens is that at the very beginning, I think I have an example of that.